Biang, don't hit the car, bro.
I said go somewhere else, man. I'm trying not to. It's not that hard. Well, how tall are you? 5'5", maybe? Oh,
5'5".
That's not hard to do. This is so interesting. That's second gear. Push right down.
Got so much audience.
Really? Hold on.
This is fun. Yeah. Thank you so much. Teaching right now. I was Siapa Sangpi.
Hey, you don't want to get in front, right? Just pulling me, right?
Okay, there's a 3, 4, 5, 6 student over here. And our Siapa is going. Oh no! He's coming back, guys. We're safe. We're safe.
You got to let go slowly. It's okay. I'll stop moving.
This is like a private lesson, very precious private lesson. I guess the student gonna pick him up.
If you're going down, like, or you want to stop, you gotta hold this one.
Oh, sorry about the airplane.
What are you gonna do about it?
We can do nothing about this.
Please don't drop it, okay?
We have the youngest of all student, which is Sian Ho. Yeah! Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright, we'll go in the middle of the road. Okay.
Okay. Student and the teacher gonna practice right now.
Or you're trying to touch my phone.
Okay, Piang. We believe in you. Come back safely. You want to ride? Yeah. Later. Are you gonna ride it? No?
I will, but that's scary.
I guess Piang only know how to make it louder. That's all we can do. You have not moved for a second. Ah, Piang, sorry. Come on, Piang.
Okay, we are.
Let's see. If he is approved by the teacher or not. Let's give a shout out to our audience. Oh, he's going, he's moving. Yeah, let's go, let's move. Yes. Hey, Piang, move. Yes. Baby step. Let's do a baby step. Okay, Piang. Let's go. Piang, you disappoint us. Oh no. Student just killed the motorcycle. Ay. Hello. Hey, he's turning back right now. Piang, do you see the white car in front of you? Don't do that. Piang, let's burn our leg. Piang disappoint us. The audience just... It's boring. The audience don't want to watch it anymore. I guess we just need to go inside. Piang. The students going right now. Teacher đang long run kìa. Too hot. Let's go inside. Motorcycle, come on. Piang điểm đi. Toy New and Joseph gonna điểm there. You're not coming back?
No.
Yeah. Okay, bye. The teacher gonna show his teachers. I guess he's not never gonna come back.
I don't think. I think he was trying to.
Okay, he's coming back. Closer. Let's go!
His hair is gonna be so dry. Yeah.
Takpiwa.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see. Your teacher gonna test you again. Okay, teacher Sangpi, let's go. Who's next?
Me.
Robert.
Oh, Robertson. We'll see.
I think we just put them. But like, I'm gonna teach you how to like start rolling. But like, that's when you start rolling.
Okay.
And then this is your front brake.
Okay, front brake.
Front brake.
You're gonna go all the way.
This is. That's your rear brake. That's your back brake.
You know what does that mean?
But if you're trying to stop or like go fast, if you hold this too hard, you're gonna fly. You're gonna fly. You're gonna flip, whatever, and you're gonna scare yourself. Yeah. But we're gonna practice. I'm gonna teach you how I practice. Young. We're gonna practice the clutch first. So turn on. You can sit on. Feel the bike.
We got a new customer, Aryan.
A little bit. Also, be careful with your leg, alright? Don't touch the oldest part. If you touch it, you're gonna burn your legs. Alright, put the kickstand up. Yeah. And then try to,
There's no boy there.
since it's a neutral, try to like walk the bike first. See how it feels.
Ooh, is that heavy?
Kind of, but it's responsive.
Okay.
Oh.
Since you're in neutral, right?
The motorcycle is so cute though.
To start it, so that's kill switch. That's the on. You hear that?
Yeah.
So that means since you're in neutral, you can hold that until it starts. Let go when it starts. After it starts, you can let go of that button. So that's neutral. If you don't see neutral or that light green, that means you're whatever gear forward. So to go down, you can hold this in. Hold that all the way in. Oh wait, hold on. Be careful with this. That's where all your gas is at. Just a little bit, and then you start panicking. Don't pull it all the way down because you're gonna fly. Like leave it like this, or like how I do it, like a screwdriver down. The left one. Down.
We don't have it.
Alright, not now, alright. Just a little. Okay, let go of this slow. Not all the way. That's too bad. The way you did this.
This is what we got. You know what that means? You can try to see what it is.
Wait, you're still in neutral. Hold it down, keep it down. Alright, like that, but you did it way too hard. You don't have to do that hard. Okay, so put it right here. Let go of this slow. Until it start pulling you. Once it start pulling you, hold it back in. Alright, you killed it. You stopped. So, since you're in gear, right? Start
Robert!
it back on.
Come on, bro. We have not go yet.
Well, I'm not touching those there, yo. Alright, so since you're in gear, hold it in and then start the button.
Robert is moving! It's moving! Oh!
Once you start moving, you can hold it back in.
Too slow, guys. Too long. Moving is all the way there. Let's go! Robert! Come on, Robert. Don't hit Liandong car. You're gonna commit, you guys. Things are frying over here under the sun. Oh. He's the best motorcycle rider, the youngest of all in the world record. Oh my goodness gracious. Who is this kid? Let me interview him. Hey kids, who are you today?
Esther,
Yes.
why don't we come?
I don't know. You have to ask him.
Why you come? I want to.
Okay, we have two best buddy over here, guys. Renardo, best buddy, right? Keep moving. Don't stop. But I'm scared. No, I'm scared. It's gonna crash.
Get the same experience.
Okay, I think Robert is finally moving. Let's see. Let's wait him. Oh my God, we got a big girl over there riding a bicycle. Ôi, xiêm được thế. Who is this big girl? Woo! Let's get going with our motorcycle. Let's go! Let's go! Woo-hoo! The teacher ride it again this time without the student. The student is being left right here. Okay, private lesson is a bit taking too long, guys. For the safety, okay? Please be understand. For the safety. Finally moving. Let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, Robert, what's again? What's the problem again? Okay. Let's move in slowly, peacefully, with our own pace. Let's go. Okay, the teacher's running right now. Let's go. Let's ride our bicycle.
Looks like a
Ooh.
like what it is?
They are safely here.
How much you paying for teaching him?
Who wants to go next? Actually, no, they want us to go. They want us to go.
The teacher is calling us.
Your guys gonna go ways.
Alright, just come back.
Okay, let's go. The ending is the ending now.